Yes, hello everyone. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are studying very well. Uh, we are doing Standard 12th, Part 2, Chapter 1, Probability, and we are currently in exercise 1.2. Okay, uh, so far I have completed 13 lectures to this chapter, and this is my 14th lecture to this chapter. You all are obviously requested to see past 13 lectures for this particular lecture. Okay. In last lecture, we have solved eighth sum of exercise 1.2. Yes, that sum was quite important. As I told you that in this sum it was asked you have to find the probability that husband and wife are seated next to each other. And I told you that when you are asked that two persons should be seated next to each other, that means you have to treat this two as a one. That means they are not two person, they are one person for the calculation. That means it's one, two, three children, and this is not four, five. It's one, two, three, and four. It's like this. Okay, so four p four into two p two. Okay. What was two p two? That means husband and wife can interchange. Now let's do almost the same sum from the illustration part. In illustration, we have illustration number 14. Now, what this illustration is that four male employees and two female employees working in a government department are sent one by interns to training center for the training. Find the probability that two female employees go successively for the training. So you can see there are four male employees in this diagram and two female employees. They asked you that two female should go successively. That means they should go one after another. As I told you that there is one man, two men, three, four. This is not five, six. This is five. There are only one, two, three, four, and five persons. Okay, so it's five p five, and two women can interchange. So it's two p. Let's write it. Illustration 14. Four male employees and two female employees working in a government department. Four male and two female employees are working in government department. Are sent one by one turn to training center. Find the probability that two female go successfully for the find the probability that female employee go successively for training. Now, as you know, the total six persons are there, and they are going one by one. So total possibility will be six p 654 3 2 1. Total possibilities are 720. Okay, now you have to assume that let A be the event that A be the event that let A be the event that two female go successively That A be the event that two female go successively for training. Now, as I told you that there are total one, two, three, four, five, and six people. And as I told you that two female be should be going successively. That means one after another. So you have to treat this two female as one person. This two female should be treated as one person. Two, three, four, five. So total there are five persons. Okay. So what is your M favorable outcome? It's 5p5. Now they said that two female should be together. What they said that two female should be together. It doesn't mean that first female should be first and the second female should be second. Two female should be together. That means you can use 2p2 for the interchange. So it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 into 2 into 120 into 2, that is 2. So your answer to the question is P of A is equal to M upon N, that is 240 upon 720 is 1 by 3. It's 1 by. So your answer is 1 upon 3. Hello. Yes. Now let us move to another sum. Hmm. Now let us do the sum number 9. Seven speakers A, B, C, D, E, F, G are invited in a program to deliver speech in a random order. Find the probability that speaker B delivers speech immediately after speaker A. So let me write the question first. This was the answer to the previous question. Seven speakers A, B, C, D, E, F, and G are invited in program to deliver speech. Are invited to deliver speech. Find probability that speaker B delivers speech immediately after speaker A. You have to find the probability that speaker B delivers speech immediately after speaker A. Now total there are seven people. So my total possibility is n is equal to 7p7. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Total possibility is 50. Now you are asked that B should deliver speech after A. Total there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. They've asked you that B delivers speech after A. So it means that after A, B should deliver the speech. Now, as I told you that if they ask you that two persons should be together, see here B should deliver speech after A. That means this should be together. After A, compulsory B, no one else. So, how many total persons are there? Total persons are this A and B is one. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so total there are 6 persons. So your M is 6p6. Now, to the previous two questions, you are multiplying 2p2. But here you will not multiply 2p2. Why, sir? Because here they have not told you that A and B should be together. See, the question is different. They have not told you that A and B should be together. This is not the question. The question is that B should speak after A. That means A should not speak after B. So reverse is not possible. If reverse is not possible, then 2p2 will be not multiplying. So it's 6p6. So it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 7, 20. So your probability is P of A is 720 upon 5, 0, 4, 0. That is 1 upon 7. So this is your answer, 1 upon 7. Now let us do the next question. We have completed 14 illustration here, and yes, we are doing 15th illustration. Find the probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year. So they are asking about that in a leap year there should be 53 Thursday. Now this sum is something related to the information that belongs to your calendar. So first of all, I would like to give you some information that you already know. How many number of, okay, there are two type of years. One is leap year and one is non-leap year. Leap year, that means which comes every 4 years. Last leap year was this year, 2020. Now number of days in leap year and number of days in a non-leap. So you know how many number of days are in a leap year? In leap year, it's 366 days. And in non-leap year, it's 360. Leap year, that means in Feb, there are total 29 days instead of 28. Now, it is a general information. It is general information that number of weeks in in a year is 52. So total there are 52 weeks in a year. This 52 is actually not an accurate data, it is approx data. Okay, now this information is something different which I'll teach you. This 52 weeks in a year. If you ask any person that how many weeks are in a year, he'll be telling you that there are 52 weeks. But if you calculate the total year, 52 weeks are there. In a week there are 7 days. If you will multiply this 52 into 7, you will get answer 364. That means if only 52 weeks are there in a year, then there would be only 364 days in a year. But there are 365 and 360 days respectively. So 53rd week is started, but there is only a 1 or 2 days. But 53rd week is being started every year. This was the basic calculation I was going to teach you. Now, if you ask anyone that how many number of weeks are in a month, number of weeks in a month. If you ask anyone how many number of weeks are in a month, he'll be telling you that there are 4 weeks in a month. But as I told you that this 4 weeks in a month is also not an accurate figure, but it is an approx figure. How, sir? See, just calculate. If there would have been only 4 weeks in a month, in a week there are 7 days, so there should be only 28 days in a month. But in a month there are 30, 31 days. That means fifth week is started, but it's not completed. So approx 4 weeks are there. See, these two figures are not getting tally with each other. If I tell you that in a month there are 4 weeks, there are 12 months in a year, so there should be 48 weeks, but there are 52 weeks. Okay, so these are approx figure as I told you. Now let us start with illustration number. Just keep in mind what I taught you just now. Find the probability of having 53 Thursday. Find the probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year. They are asking you about 53 Thursday in a leap year. First of all, I would like to tell you that how many number of days are in a leap year. So number of days in a leap year. As I told you just now, there are total 366 days in a leap year. Now, I will subtract. What I will subtract? See, as I told you that there are 52 weeks in a year. 52 weeks, that means there is a 52 Sunday, 52 Monday, 52 Tuesday, 52 Thursday, 52 Friday. Everything is 52. Thursday is also 52. So if 52 weeks are there, there would be every day 52. 52 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So if each and every day comes 52 times in a year, how many days will be completed? 364 days will be completed. Now, how many days are left? 2 days are left. In this 364 days, every day is repeated 52 times. Now, these 2 days are left. If in this 2 days Thursday will come, if in this 2 days Thursday will come, Thursday will be 53rd time. You are getting my point? Every day is 52 times in a year because 52 weeks are there. 364 days over, 2 days are left. Now, if in these 2 days, if Thursday will be there, then Thursday will be 53rd time. Now, in this 2 days, how many possibilities are there? In these 2 days, there can be Sunday, Monday, there can be Monday, Tuesday, there can be Tuesday, Wednesday, there can be Wednesday, Thursday, there can be Thursday, Friday, there can be Friday, Saturday, and then can be Saturday, Sunday. Total, there are 7 possibilities in this, in which Thursday is 2 times. Total, how many possibilities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In which Thursday is 2 times. So your probability is 2 by 7. Okay, out of 7 possibilities, 2 possibilities are there that can be Thursday 53rd time. Okay, let us do almost similar sum from the exercise. Exercise 11th sum. Exercise 1.2, sum number 11. This question, find the probability of having 53 find the probability of having 53 Fridays in a year. Find the probability of having 53 Fridays in a year. Find the probability of having 53 Fridays in a year, which is not a leap year. Okay. See. Now, as I told you, number of days in a non leap year is 366. Okay, number of days in a non leap year is 360. Sorry, in non leap year it's 365. Now they are asking about 53 Fridays. Now I told you that every day will come 52 times, as there are 52 weeks in a year. So total 364 days will be completed. How many days are left? 1 day is left. In this 1 day, how many total possibilities are there? There can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so Friday is one of the 7 days. So probability here is 1 upon exercise 1.1. Now what next sum we'll be doing? Let's do sorry. Let's do 10th sum. Find the probability of having find the probability of having 5 Monday in a month of Feb of Now they have not asked you information about whole year. They have asked you information about a month of a fab of a leap year. So how many days? So number of days in a fab of leap year is 29. And leap year in fab there are 29 days. Now they are asking about you 5 Mondays. I told you that in a month there are 4 weeks. In a week there are 7 days. So 4 into 7, 28 will be completed. What this 28 means, sir? This 28 means that there are 4 Sunday, 4 Monday, 4 Tuesday, 4 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 4 Friday, 4 Saturdays. 28 days, 4 days. Now, if I want fifth Monday, then this one day is left. If in this one day, if Monday comes, then Monday will be fifth time in a week. Okay, or you can say fifth time in a month. So probability of this Monday is 1 upon 7. Okay, I told you that there are total 7 possibilities. Monday is one of the 7, so it's 1 by 7. And 12th sum of exercise. Find probability having 5 Tuesday. In August of any year. Find probability of having 5 Tuesday in August of any. Now they have asked you that August of any year. That means August have 31 days, whether it is leap or whether it is non-leap. So it goes without saying. But then also let us write number of days in August is 31. Now they told you that there should be 5 Tuesday. Now if there are 4 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday in a year, how many days will be there? 28 will be there. Okay, 28 days, that means every day is for 4 times. How many days still are left? 3 days are left. Now, if there is a Tuesday in 3 days, then Tuesday can be there for the fifth time in a month. So, my probability is 3 upon 7. Probability is 3 by 7. So, all the sums related to calendar are over. Okay, we'll be starting the next sum from the next session.